beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Chiquis here. I hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing for the month of July for my Boxy charm, and you guys will see all the goodies that we received this month, as well as a makeup look that I have put together for you guys. So if you guys are interested in knowing how I got this makeup look, you've seen the products that Boxy charm sent this month, definitely keep on watching. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. We got all our hair pulled back, and I'm going to be taking the Elmer's Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, and I'm going to be taking the Luxie 510 foundation brush because I do not use these type of brushes for foundation, but this is a good brush to apply the mask. So it says that we should apply the mask twice weekly on cleansed skin. A slight tingling may occur while the mask works its magic. Remove after 10 minutes with a damp dark cloth. It says that if it has contact with eyes, you might want to rinse thoroughly, and it may stain some fabrics. Of this mask on the back of my hand, I don't know how much we'll need, so we're gonna start with this much. This is how the mask is looking. I'm gonna take whatever is left on the, and I'm gonna go ahead and it smells minty. Okay, I need this is how the mask looks right now. We have applied all of it, and I'm just gonna let this sit there for 10 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna zoom you guys into my eyelids. I feel like them almost trickles. Oh wow, hopefully not. I picked up the Luxie 250 large eye blending brush, and I picked up the color burnt orange and golden ochre from the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. As you can see, I have packed it on my lid as a transition shade for this makeup look, because our palette that we will be working with today does not carry any transition shades. Next, I took the Morphe M441 and I took the color Temptress from the palette, picked some of it up, and I'm also gonna bring it into the outer corner. And bring it a little bit high up lightly, and I'm going to make sure to blend all of this in nice and blended. So I'm gonna pick up some more of burnt orange to blend the top. I'm going to take a Q-tip and I'm going to clean up right here. So next I'm going to take some of this Fit Me concealer, and I'm going to take this Quimonge brush. It's just a flat brush. I'm going to go ahead and start a light coat. Go over it one more time, like so. Okay. So right now it's looking like this. It doesn't look super clean or anything. It's totally fine because I do not want like a cut crease. So next I'm going to take the Luxie 246 Precision Crease, which you can use this to cut your crease if you would like. I personally like to use it to pack in this shade. I am going to dampen this with, I'm using this Skin & Co. that came in our box last month. So I dampened it, and then I will be picking up the color Queen, which is this one right here. And we're just gonna pick it up. Building up the color. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take some on my finger and apply it with my finger. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take this Luxie 131 mini angled brush, and I'm gonna be taking the color Temptress, and I'm just using it to blend the outside. And then I'm just gonna go back, and this one is the Luxie 229 tapered blending. All of these brushes have been on previous Boxy charm, most of it, like all of them except the Quimonge, I think. So if you have been in Boxy charm, you should have received, I believe, these brushes. For this, we're just gonna blend. Any blending brush will do. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, then you're Gucci. And just clean the outside. I don't like to clean with that brush. I like cleaning with this Luxie or Almar Cosmetics. I think it's Almar Cosmetics. It's just a flat brush. It's my favorite brush to clean up the eyebrows and stuff. But I'm just gonna, like so. And this is how the eyes are looking. I think they're looking good. Let me look over here so I can see where I need to blend a little more, or where I need to add a little more, or any of that. But so far I think the eyes are looking pretty bomb, but we're not finished. I'm gonna be taking the eyeliner, the Appeal gel liner that we got. We're gonna warm it up on the back of my hand. I'll go ahead and apply it. Okay, to line my lips, I used the NYX lip liner in Nude Truffle, and we got an Almar Cosmetics. I believe this is like a lip gloss, so we're going to be applying this. I'm pretty much finished with the makeup. I'm just gonna set everything with this Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. And I am impressed. Like, I actually really like the palette. I think I really like everything in this month's box. And I am not done with the makeup, guys. I'm missing my lashes. So I will go put on my eyelashes and I'll be right back. I forgot about I have officially finished my makeup look. This time for real, I have the lashes, I have everything. So like I said, everything in this box was absolutely amazing. If I had to choose like a least favorite, it would probably be the eyeliner, because it's kind of not staying in my waterline as well as I thought it would, but the eyeshadow is making it pop. But other than that, I've just really enjoyed everything in this month's box that we got. So if you guys are not signed up for Boxy Charm, I don't know what you guys are doing. You should definitely go sign up. It's a monthly subscription. I paid $21. I received all of this, and it's honestly really amazing. You get to try new products, and you know, they're full size, so you would definitely get a good use out of them, and you will see if you like them, if you want to repurchase, if you like the brand, if you like any of that, the formula. Before I end the video, I forgot to put on highlighter, so I really wanted to use the palette as much as I could. And you know, they say makeup is not just for one thing, so I'm gonna actually take the color Enchantress, and I'm gonna take this brush from Royal and Nickel. It's just a fan brush, and I'm actually going to try to use this as a highlighter, just so you guys, you know, I'm trying to use as much of the makeup on my face as I can from the box. Actually, this is such a pretty highlighter. I mean, it's not a highlighter, it's an eyeshadow, but it's actually really pretty. So this can have multi-use. You can use this as a highlighter. As you can see, it highlighted my face beautifully. I had already finished the video. I already filmed the outro, so you're not going to see it in the outro. But I just came back and realized I didn't put on highlight. I just came back and realized I didn't have any highlighter on. So I wanted to show you guys that, you know, you can use this for anything. So I really like it now. I was like, I'm missing something. I was missing the highlighter, but So I really liked everything that I received in my box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and to leave a comment down below of future videos that you would like to see. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!